guys.
Hello, how are you all?
I'm fine. What about you?
Good. What are your next year plans?
So, which institute are you planning to join?
I'm planning the same. Yes.
Yes, we are planning the same, the Ashutosh classes.
Oh, what is so special there?
It's a combination of fun along with studies. Like Teachers' Day celebration.
Then what about studies?
We also have video tutorials and plus one class lectures in a simple and exciting way.
Yeah, he's absolutely right. It helped a lot in SA1 exams.
Oh, I am impressed. Name some more facilities.
My IEO results have improved a lot from the previous time.
And now our vocabulary in English is much better.
But why?
This has happened just because of Ritu ma'am. She has been excellent in teaching English and social science.
Oh,
And one more fascinating factor about our classes is that under one roof and in a fixed time we have studied a lot of subjects. Yeah, she's absolutely right. It saves a lot of time. As we know, time once gone cannot be recalled.
So, I am sure that you would be happy to join the institute.
yeah, why not?